Hello everyone, this is me Janice and welcome to my channel. So today is Halloween and a very happy Halloween to all of you. So I wanted to try a makeup look and I wanted to go for the vampire look because I finished the Vampire Diaries a few months ago and I'm literally obsessed with vampires. So I wanted to give it a try and I'm going to be recreating a tutorial which is by Chelsea Trevor. So her makeup is just amazing. You can go and check it out. I'll give the link in the description down below. And yeah, but the problem is that I do not own a lot of makeup. Like, this is all the makeup I have. And these are mostly like touch-ups and everything. And for Halloween makeup, you have to go for a more heavy look. But I'm going to be trying to recreate this look with the least makeup that you can use. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notifications. Share this video, comment what you felt about it. Give me some new suggestions. Here's my Instagram ID. You can follow me there. So let's go. Yeah, and one more thing to mention is that I'm gonna be going all vampire today. So I'm gonna be wearing this dress, which I don't know why, but whenever I look at it, it just looks like a dress a vampire would wear. So I'm gonna go with it. And here's a picture of the look I'm gonna recreate. So let me start. So first things first, I'm just gonna put this bandana on my head so that the makeup dust doesn't go all over my hair. So now I'm gonna be watching the tutorial. So the first step is using a primer. So I'm using this primer from Maybelline. And now she mentions to use a foundation that's actually lighter than your shade because it's a vampire look, but I'm doing the exact opposite and using a shade that's darker than me because it's actually my mom's. I bought it from her because I don't really use high coverage stuff right now, but I guess it's fine. I'll just use it to cover my pimples and small blemishes. And now I'm blending the foundation with the help of this beauty sponge or beauty blender. I guess after all it just worked alright. And now she uses a concealer, but I don't really have one. As I told you guys, I don't use high coverage stuff. But I use this foundation as a concealer, so I guess it's fine. And now she uses a setting powder, so I'm doing the same as well. Just blend it all in. And now she's using a contour palette, but I'm using my eyeshadow palette as a contour palette because this is a minimalistic makeup look and we gotta make use of whatever we have. So here I am contouring my cheekbones and my jawline as she mentioned in the video. And now it's time for the nose. I guess I did a pretty good job with the nose then. Just brushing the excess out and smoothing everything. And now she's using this powder highlighter, but I'm gonna use my stick one because this is the one I have. And just apply it on the places she told to. I'm gonna take the sponge in the back of it and just smudge it a bit, and now brush it using my brush. And now from the eyeshadow palette, she takes a grayish color because she wants more of that dead vampire look, so I did the same. Of course mine's not as good as hers, but I'm trying. Brush, brush, brush. And then I took the grey shade and contoured my nose again. So it's eyeshadow time, and she's taking this more reddish shade, but I kind of made a mistake and didn't pay attention and applied a more brown orange shade. Gonna apply it on the second eye too, but this is just on the crease. We're gonna do the middle later. So for the middle, I'm taking this old rusty palette of mine and applying a wine shade, I guess. Yeah, it's a little bit wine maroonish. So I'm gonna apply it and kind of blend it with the top crease shade and create a smoky eye kind of look. And now she blends it all in, so I'm doing the same. So here she does a darker shade, so I didn't really have it, so I took this lipstick which kind of matched with the shade. And we're going all vamp glam, so she mentioned to put a wing liner, so I did it. So I took this ash color eyeshadow and tried to make it a bit more smoky. And now she mentions that this is a turning point where you start looking like a vampire, and she told to take the same shade as the crease and apply it on your under eye. And again I put more of a goldenish orange shade rather than a red. I don't know why I did this, but yeah, it's my fault. But I kind of see it coming together, and I kind of knew at this point that it was more of a red shade, so I mixed a bit of purple to make it look like the shade. Yeah, she was right. I actually look like a dead person now. And now she mentions to take the lipstick and just make a few lines which resemble veins. Like if you have seen any vampire show, or especially Vampire Diaries, you may know this, that when the vampire is hungry, it always looks like this. This is how a hungry vampire looks, who is craving a lot of blood at this point. And now it's time for lips, which is my favorite. So she takes this more deep red. Mine is a bit lighter, but it's like almost the same. So she puts it on using a brush, so I did the same, and it gives you more control when you're using a brush. So I'm taking another shade of red and popping it on. So she takes a black lip crayon, I suppose. So I took this one that I had. So my lips are a bit chapped, but I'm already dead anyway. So there was another step where she applies falsies and mascara, but I literally forgot I had a mascara, but I forgot it. So I'm doing another extra step here where I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. I do not really apply anything on my eyebrows, but I feel it's a bit important to shape it. There you go, all vamp glam. Hers is way better than mine.
So hers is more matte and mine is more glossy.
I forgot this, so I'm just gonna put it in.
So she applies this store-bought fake blur, but I didn't really have mine. So I just applied this lipstick. I felt to look pretty good at this point. I shouldn't have done this, but I lined my blood with some blackness, so it just got a bit ruined. I don't know why did I do that. Then I blended to make it worse, but then I guess this saved it a bit. I applied some gloss. I don't know if it saved it or made it worse again. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is why you shouldn't fix something that's not broken. Lesson learned. So here's a little comparison of the look I tried to recreate. I like it, but I don't know why it looks a bit faded right now. I wish I had vampire fangs. It would just look so much better, but it was in a last minute kind of thing, so I could not really get them.
That was some tasty blood. So yeah, this is my final look. I actually kind of like it. For the products that I had, I did pretty well. I guess it's nothing compared to Chelsea's obviously, but I'm not a professional makeup artist. Yeah, so it's pretty fine, and I feel it's kind of messy, but I'm a messy vamp. So let me just show you my outfit real quick. So this is my outfit. It's somebody's dress, and I love it, and how it just transitions with my makeup and with my nails. Yeah, so this is it, and I hope that you like this video. So meet you in another video. Bye.